Amazing choice. Welcome to the basic plan, the gateway to elevating your subscription game. Let's dive into the expanded features that are now within your reach. Exciting update. With the basic plan, you're free from MRR limits, setting the stage for unlimited growth. Sell more, worry less, and watch your business climb to new heights. In the Subscription Plans tab, you now have full access to the advanced options of the selling plans. You can offer a changing discount for your subscription, offer more discount on the first payments and then decrease it, or vice versa. You can offer a prepaid subscription where customers pay for multiple deliveries or orders upfront, while ensuring they receive their product regularly. Set a specific number of payments after which the customer can cancel or their subscription expires. Schedule the recurring payments for a specific day of the week, month, or year. You can also offer a free shipping perk for a specific subscription plan. Besides the selling plan features, you also have access to 4 widget styles and advanced CSS customization. The Subify branding has also been removed from under your widget. If you need any help with your widget customization, make sure to contact our support team. They are fully trained in CSS coding and can help you customize your widget within minutes. Now, let's review the unlocked features in subscription management. You now have full access to edit your subscriptions on Subify. You can reschedule the next order of a subscription to your preferred date. You can also edit a subscription contract's frequency, products, discounts, and shipping price. Next, we get to the customer portal customization. You have access to customize the customer portal's contents to match the look and feel of your store. Wait, there's even more. You can now manage multiple settings in Subify. First comes the email notifications Subify sends you and your subscribers based on different events. You can customize your emails with HTML coding. To send other notifications, you can integrate Subify with most email marketing services such as Klaviyo and Shopify email. I suggest you enable the next setting right away, Tag Management. Tag Management is useful for creating segments, integrating Subify with other services, managing your orders, and much more. You can enable automated tags for your subscription orders and subscribers. This is how tags would look on the orders and on customers. If you need more specific tags, like tiered-based or product-based tags, we will help you create customized automation in the Shopify flow to set these tags on your orders or customers automatically. There it is. You now have all the basic features to run your subscription business smoothly. Don't forget our support team is available 24/7. So if you have any questions, just click on the chat box and we will help you with it. You can also check out our help center. The link is in the description. Enjoy the basic plan.